Welcome back, guys. So we're here out doing another video today. We're going to do a couple of laps with a couple of the mates from uni. We've got our fresh new jerseys, which you probably noticed me wearing, all made by the company who I'm riding or representing this year, Anti-Natural. Hit up their website, I'll drop a link in the description. They're out of stock with most of the stuff at the moment because it's just been so popular, but when they're back in stock, hit them up and they'll sort you out some awesome riding gear. Anyway, like I said at the very first video that I ever did, I do sort of a variation of things. So I've done bits about my, like when I'm training, like how I'm setting up a bike, when I'm racing, but I haven't actually done a bike check. And seeing as I've got quite a few bikes that I would like to check, I thought I'd start with the most obvious one, the bike for my namesake, Mr. Fluoro Enduro. It is the Nukeproof Mega 2016 27.5-inch wheel that I am riding most at the moment. So up front we've got the Lyric RCT3 from RockShox running the custom decals from Sam at Slickworks. With regards to setup, I've got two tokens in the front running 60 psi, I weigh around 80 kilos with full kit and 13 clicks of rebound for a nice and springy bike. Now onto the shock, again from RockShox we have a Monarch RCT3 Debonair Plus. We're running 195 psi with 15 clicks of rebound, again for a nice and springy feel. Onto the seat post, it's just your standard RockShox Reverb Stealth with a charged spoon saddle sitting on the top there. On to what keeps the bike rolling then, we've got 27.5-inch Stans Flow ZTR rims laced onto Hope Pro 4 hubs, non-boost. We're running tubeless Maxxis tyres, a DHF up front and an Aggressor on rear, and in those tyres we have a Stans sealant. Never had a problem with it, absolutely brilliant stuff. So onto the controls of the bike then, we move up to the handlebars. These are the Nukeproof Horizon bars, 31.8mm stem clamp diameter with a 780 wide. These are carbon and they are super strong. We've got bright yellow DMR death grips keeping the arm pump away with a Hope AM-FR stem with a 35mm length, that super twitchy feel that I love. We've got a standard reverb plunger, I'm not too fussed about the new lever. We've also got Saint brake levers as well as a Box 2 shifter running the drivetrain. So speaking of that drivetrain, we're running a Box 2 setup with a Box 2 mech with the Hope jockey wheels in, obviously in blue to match the frame, with a Box 2 cassette as well, with ranging from 46 tooth up the top to 11 tooth down the bottom. We've then got a SRAM 11-speed chain providing the drive with a Hope chain guide up front, keeping it fixed on those XT cranks you can see there. 175mm length with a 34 tooth chainring on it. We've also got the signature Brendog Volt, keeping my feet nice and planted. Finally, onto the brakes, we have Shimano Saints running both the levers and the calipers with 200mm rotors front and rear. I like the bike to feel like a downhill bike on an enduro frame, and it certainly does that. So a few little extras we got is a blue water bottle on the underside of a frame. We've got a spare tube and a pump as well. I did forget to mention the BB that I'm running is a Hope BB, nice and blue. Never had a problem with it, absolutely awesome. Finally, we've got a mudguard up front from RRP, absolutely fantastic for the kind of wet weather we have here in South Wales. Oh, sketchy jump. Right. Oh yeah, yeah.
Some cunt, but I haven't seen. Riding, and there's no bike under me anymore.
Right, let's go.
You hear me? Yeah.
Right then, here we go. Is that alright?
Huh?
Is that okay, or should we go straight in?
Okay.
Oh, he's coming, right. Woo! Oh, mess that up. Oh. Right then, we'll open her up. Flat motor turns, cranking out. Right, we're going to go straight on here, down this section of trail. Oh, almost losing the front there. Avoid that terribly built jump. Right, now we're going to give this bit a whirl. Never ridden this before, so forgive me for any mistakes. Oh, she's steep. Oh, she's good fun though. Like this. This is nice. Bit of a roll off there. Oh, okay. I've stopped too quickly. Stopped too quickly. Right, drop back in. Right. Start keeping the eyes up now. Whoa. There we go, front wheel folds and we're over the side. Got nice new Jersey dirty though, so oh, and the bars are twisted. Right, bit of a comedy crash there for you. Now I think I know where I am. Yeah, so this is now on a footpath down across those roots. Have to be careful here.